Today I'm going to be talking about requested delivery date. Very first thing I want to show you is the settings for requested delivery date. Do The requested delivery date setting can be found in order management settings. Right now I have it currently selected to where the requested delivery date is mandatory, so I will not be able to continue if I leave that blank. And we have an additional setting over here to apply today's date as the default requested delivery date. But for now, I'm going to show this without that checkbox because it'll be blank and it wants you to add the requested delivery date at the time of the order creation. Now let's go to the order. So now that we're here in the orders module, we'll go ahead and create a new one. So right now in the top right, our requested delivery date is blank. So if I decide to go forward with this sale, with this blank, I will get an error message letting me know that I need to enter a requested delivery date first. So this is for your sales team to go ahead and ask the customer when they expect their delivery to happen. Let's say this particular customer wants this due by next Friday. So May 1st is my requested delivery date. Now I'm going to choose my customer. Next, we're going to come over here and add our delivery mode. And then I do have a model in mind. It's going to be this French door refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and skip the add-ons and the warranty. Now, if I go over here to my context menu to show stock, you can see that I only have one stock available, and it's sitting in my Althea appliance warehouse, which is fine because that's the exact same warehouse that I've chosen up here on the top level. Because the warehouse is chosen up there on the top level, also showing here in my column as the warehouse. So I have a requested delivery date of May 1st, and we haven't done any scheduling. So since I have one in stock for this, the moment I go ahead and create this order, it's going to ask me for the serial number. So I do have one available, and it's sitting there right there in my appliance warehouse. I'm not going to apply it here at this point. I will apply that later on. So let's go ahead and hit save. And ask me, are you sure you want to continue? We will. Now, if I specifically highlight this order, you can see that it's already green right there. In the event that this color was a red color, which is the color for short in the system, I can go ahead and show item list to see which item is still red or still green. In this case, both items are green. The second one is green because it's just a service item, so it's automatically going to mark itself as available. But since I had that one quantity available in that warehouse, the color for the French door refrigerator is also green. Now, the way our requested delivery date work is it goes off of what's nearest. So this requested delivery date is for May 1st. That's why this is turning green. Now, as an example, we're going to go up and create a brand new order. Now, this requested delivery date is going to be a few days shorter than May 1st. So we're going to make this delivery date be the 30th. So April 30th is my requested delivery date for this new order. All right, so now I'm going to grab a customer. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to still choose my delivery mode. I'm going to add that same item back. So I'm still going to have one quantity available to sell because on the previous order, I have not delivered that product. So if I continue on with the add-ons and the warranty, I'm going to go to the context menu and I'm going to go to show stock once more. So you can see I totally have one stock available, but if I go to current stock, you can see it's been zeroed out. So I have nothing available because technically I've already had that on my first order. So it's going with that one. So this one says it's due in 7 days on the 1st, but the one I'm creating right now is going to be due on the 30th as displayed up there. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to skip this and I'm going to hit yes. So now if I look at my orders for today, I'm going to look specifically on the 24th because that's when both of those orders were created. I'm going to untick the show item list. Now I can see on the first one that we had, order number 7, this was the original order that we wrote for that one French door refrigerator. Previously, this was green, but since I made the second order have a requested delivery date a little bit shorter than May 1st, this is colored this one green. So now this one is ready to go because it has a sooner requested delivery date. Now, if I were to go back to order number 7, the first order that we had that used to be green and it turned red after creating the second one. So now what we're going to do is put this order into the view mode by clicking the hyperlink of the document number. So we opened up number 7 in the view mode. Now I'm going to scroll down to my line item there for the refrigerator, and I'm going to go to its context menu and assign the serial number at this point. So this is order number 7. It was the previous order. It's currently red because we're short quantity because we've already created the other order ahead of time. But let's say that this customer really wants this item, even though his requested delivery date is May 1st. What we'll need to do is go to its context menu, go to assign serial number, then we're going to grab that serial number and basically commit this to this order right here. So now I'm gonna hit save. Now it's saved the serial number into this order and therefore to this particular customer. At this point in the view mode, you don't need to come down over here to update or anything like that. It's already been updated within the grid itself. So all we need to do is cross this out and return back to the screen. Now I'm going to refresh the screen by clicking on the orders again. And again, I'm going to go and filter this for just today. Now you can see order number 7 is back to being green, and order number 8 is now a red color because we have committed that serial number to order number 7. Even though it has a requested delivery date of May 1st, we are still committing that serial number to this order. So now that makes order number 8 short because now we don't have available quantity to sell that. So that is the relationship between the requested delivery date and the colors that are in AltheaSuite. Thank you.